Now, speaking of cameras, this is the Wyze V4. It's obviously the 4th generation camera from that company, and although gone are the days of the $20 camera, Wyze has pushed a ton of upgrades into this. That 2.5K resolution, color night vision that actually seems to work, a small spotlight, and even a pretty good siren. Plus you can get 24/7 recordings with a micro SD card. And of course, you can do indoor or outdoor installations and talk to people on the other side of the camera. It's a pretty good speaker now. Now, what makes this exceptional is its ability to do Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, as well as that indoor or outdoor installation. That's very odd in the camera industry to have that level of connectivity outdoors. It's also capable of so many different installations. It's able to work, for example, with Wyze's lamp socket, which is how I'm using it today out front of my home. But its best feature is its person detection. I have to be very clear here because there's two problems with that, but this is such a thing to say about Wyze. And number one, it requires a subscription to do that person detection. Not an expensive subscription, but you still need to factor that in. The second problem is that it has so far detected every car going by as a pet. Now, it still gets the pets right. It has done incredible when it comes to person detection. Other than that one issue, it's been amazing. And that is a far cry from where we were just a couple of camera versions ago from this company. With the quality of footage here and the myriad of ways that you can mount this, this one's hitting its stride again.